Hello guys, in this video I want to show you where can you find frequently asked questions in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it. And here in this list you can find the Contact Us option. Press on that as well. And now you can see here in this page the frequently asked questions. Just press on it and you can see here the questions. You can see that they are in categories, so you can just press on one of these questions. For example, my app is slow, I see only white screen. Press on it and you can see basically a short answer to this question. Now, if you have any other problem, you can just press on this link here and the customer support will be able to help you, and you can also give a feedback to this article, whether it was helpful or not. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.